Coming to the classical facelift, we usually combine it along with the neck lift as well. So we have a classical face and neck lift. Incision in this procedure ranges from the upper helical margin or maybe just above it as well, go along the ear and then back in the back of the neck. And this procedure helps us achieve a complete lift of the mid face, lower face as well as the neck. So if you are in your early 60s or later than that, and you have good amount of sag, we can achieve a very good lift with a face and neck lift procedure. This has almost a universal appeal. Although you get a scar, but these scars are very inconspicuous because they're sutured with a very fine stitch. Don't see them most commonly, and you can achieve a good lift. If you want some volume restoration along with that, we usually combine it with fat grafting. We can do some lipo in your abdomen or your thighs, extract some fat, treat it, and then inject it in, especially in your mid face. So you get good amount of volume restoration with the fat, and along with the neck lift and face lift, you get good lift.